When you order a Benchmark Humidor, this is what it'll look like when it arrives. And then there's your humidor. Break the Made in America tape. Get through the plastic. And then you'll notice the Benchmark seal. Go ahead and tear that open. And there's your beautiful new humidor. Your Benchmark humidor comes ready to use. However, if time permits, pre-season it. It's made of Spanish cedar on the inside, and that's a wood that likes to behave like a sponge. It absorbs water, holds it, and releases it just when your cigars need it. The suggested method to season the cedar interior is to remove the two 75% Boveda packs from the plastic shipping case, drop them into the humidor, and allow them to have 5 to 7 days with no cigars present in the humidor to season. That's it. So once you've seasoned your Benchmark humidor, you can insert one 72% Boveda pack and it'll last up to 18 days. Now, if you're going on an extended trip, you could put 2 in and it should go for twice the distance. By the way, if you're asking, that's Australian lacewood. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, let's go ahead and load up the Benchmark humidor. Now, let's pretend mine's been pre-seasoned. So to start, I'm gonna grab one of the Boveda 72%, drop it in. I'm gonna grab 3 60 ring gauge cigars, slide them in. I'm ready to go.